Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix NBA Rec not working. So first of all, make sure to check your internet connection. If your internet is not working well, try getting it fixed. The next best thing you can do is restart the game. Chances are a simple reboot might just do the trick. If restarting the game fails to do the magic and does not result in the issue getting fixed, you might need to go ahead and just reboot your system altogether. Once you finish the rebooting process, try launching the game again and try to play the rec. This should fix the issue, but if it doesn't, go ahead and manually check for the game updates. To do so, you will need to head to your respective gaming platform's store and search for NBA 2K22. Once you find the game, you will need to check if there are any pending updates. If there are any of such updates, download them and then restart the game. Hopefully, the error will no longer persist and you can enjoy rec error-free. Alright, well that's all for now. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.